Standing water on composite decking, we get that question from all of our customers, almost all of our customers is, am I gonna slip? Am I gonna trip? How do I deal with it? Well, it's no different than any other medium. The water collects on a flat surface. We slope our deck slightly so that we don't have as much of it, but we do that with wood decks as well. We say to care for them just as you would any other deck, whether it's composite or wood or PVC or anything like that. Your best bet, obviously, if you don't want any standing water on your deck, is to have a covered porch over it, but where you don't have that or budget doesn't allow, or you don't want that in your design, basically sheeting it off with anything that you would do in your same in your garage if you have standing water. But I wouldn't say by and large that you get a lot of standing water on your deck. There's not like low spots, kind of like concrete kind of varies, but I would say you sheet it off with a broom, and it's fairly easy to take care of.